Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda Accord seat belt issues. First, carefully examine the seat belt webbing for any signs of wear or damage, as this can compromise safety. Next, ensure your buckle latches securely and releases easily, checking for obstructions. Finally, test the retractor to confirm the belt extends and retracts smoothly without sticking. These initial checks are crucial for identifying the root cause of your seat belt problem. Once you've identified the issue, several common solutions can help. Often, a sticky buckle simply needs a good cleaning with compressed air to dislodge any debris. If your retractor is slow or sticking, a light application of silicone lubricant can improve its function. For more significant damage, replacing the entire seat belt buckle or even the full assembly might be necessary to restore proper operation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. Quick recommendation: while you're busy fixing your Accord seat belt, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleaning. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, so your floors stay spotless. It's a real game changer. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For more advanced problems like a diploid pretensioner, replacement is essential for safety. If your seat belt issue is linked to the airbag system, it's best to consult a certified mechanic, as these systems are complex. Remember, when replacing any critical safety component, always opt for genuine Honda parts to ensure proper fit and function. Your safety depends on it, so don't cut corners.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.